Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. So here on my channel, I do videos related to beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and more. So if you're interested in any of that type of content there, definitely click that subscribe button so you know when I post my next video. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know exactly when I post that next video. So y'all, I know I've been gone for, I would say a month, but it's probably been a little bit over a month so far as like posting wise, but my channel continues to grow, and that's all with the thanks to y'all. I can't thank y'all enough for the love and for the support. As always, you guys continue to show me, and you know, I missed y'all. I missed y'all a lot. Like, I had some life stuff going on, so I took a break from YouTube, I ain't gonna lie y'all. But I'm back and better than ever, so I'm gonna get back to posting on my regular schedule for Tuesdays and Fridays every single week. So y'all be on the lookout for that. In today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys the earrings that I got out of Walmart, and they were only $1 a piece, y'all. And this is one pair of the earrings here. These are really cute. These earrings, they are marked for $3, but y'all, I paid $1 for these. And they're originally priced $4.92. So this is the first pair. These are really super cute. Something different. Trying to get into the habit of buying different types, or not different types, but different styles of jewelry. Trying to just get out of my comfort zone. Because I love earrings and I love to wear different earrings, but sometimes I get caught up on wearing the same pair of earrings, and sometimes I never take them out, y'all. And that's just me. That's bad on me, but you know, I don't know. The earrings that I am wearing, these right here, I got these out of Walmart too, and they say celebrate. And they're little cute earrings, and they came on this here. This is another pair of earrings that came with. These here say sparkle. These earrings are regular price $4, but I paid 25 cents. So back to the pink hoops. I'm gonna try these on. Alright, so those are those earrings. These are really cute. I like these. Again, they were $1. Regular price like $4.92, I believe. And these are quality tested earrings. They are hypo allergenic, so that's pretty good. Alright, so another thing I got were these bracelets here. Well, I said earrings, but this is basically a jewelry haul, y'all, from Walmart. And the brand is Time and True. Yeah, quality tested. These bangles are also hypoallergenic. They're also hypoallergenic, and they're really cute. They're marked for $3.50, y'all, but I paid $1.50 for these. With the little rhinestones on them. There's also this bracelet here. It's marked for $4.50, but I paid $1 for this bracelet as well. And if y'all want to know, like I said, y'all, all this jewelry came from Walmart. So on the clearance rack. And I wasn't intentionally shopping for jewelry. I was just in there looking around, and I found all this stuff here on clearance, but even though it's on clearance, it's actually cheaper than what the price is marked for. So that worked out for me. I got one earring in, y'all. One. I don't know why, I just pick it out. So it's got the little T here. Get through the hole. Kind of like looks like a rose quartz. I don't know, y'all can barely see it, but it's like a rose quartz little bracelet. Y'all, be right back. I gotta go take my dog out. He's whining in his kennel. Be right back. So I showed y'all this bracelet. Rose gold. Well, not rose gold. It's a gold bracelet. Like the chain link is gold, but this here is like, it's kind of like a, it reminds me of like a rose quartz crystal. Like that's the color it has to me. I mean, you guys can barely see it in my camera. For some reason my light is too bright. I don't know why y'all can't see it clear. My camera also does not want to focus for me, but I mean, y'all can see it pretty good right there. We also got these earrings here. Got little shells. They're gold and they have like a, now this one kind of looks like the clear crystal to me. I think it's just called quartz. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me. These are cute. These are really pretty. I like these. It's cute. Yeah, I just did these braids. These, as y'all can see, these are much shorter than the braids I did the last time y'all see me. But I did not record a video for this hairstyle here. However, if you want to see how I do my box braids, just check out this link here. I don't know if it's gonna be here or here. It'll be on one of these sides. But be sure to check out my how to box braids video if you want to see how I get, you know, my box braids. And the only difference between these and the other ones is the length. Well, there's two differences, the length and the color. For this hair, I just like cut it in half and then braided my hair. But you know, if you want to see how I braid my hair or how I do my box braids using the rubber band method, definitely check out my video. It'll be here or here. Not sure which side it'll be on, but it'll be on one of these sides, y'all. So these earrings, and then this is the last pair of earrings that I got. As y'all can see, these are marked for $3 too, but they ring up $1 and they're really cute. It's got like a tan ring here and like a light turquoise ring here, and then this is like a clear pearl kind of detail right there. These are really cute too. Alright, and that is these earrings, y'all. They're really pretty. And I also got this necklace here. This necklace is a necklace that I got. It's like a little shell necklace, and it's got like little crystal or little clear pearls here, and then it's just a long gold chain. This was marked down to $5. Regular price $7.92. Y'all, I paid $2 for this necklace. Just two. Alright, y'all, so that is all I have for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me try on the jewelry that I got from Walmart. Yes, I said Walmart, y'all. Walmart. It's really no different than going to the beauty supply store and getting earrings for $1. You know, fashion is fashion, jewelry is jewelry. You get costume jewelry, you get real jewelry, you get the hypoallergenic, you get, you know, whatever kind of jewelry. It don't matter. It's fashion, it's cute, it's pretty. So, and it was inexpensive. I paid $1 for each pair of earrings, and I think $1.50 for the bracelets, and $2 for the necklace that y'all seen. So less than 10 bucks for a good amount of stuff. But anyway, it's not really about the sale, it's really about the haul. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this jewelry haul from Walmart, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and again, if you have not already, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Bye y'all.